carriageway. Turning right is a crossroad as well with the center reservation. Mirror signal now. Position left to central line. Scan the road. This is your window here.
G.
That car's coming, we're not gonna go. Look at that center reservation should be clear. Coming, traffic, look ahead.
G.
Right, look ahead. That's your gap there now.
Then look ahead.
Look ahead, very good. So now we're gonna go into it. So now we go for the left observation. Look ahead and pedestrian on the right side. Left, ahead and pedestrian on the right side.
Left, ahead.
And pedestrian on the right hand side.
On the right side.
So again, you got a new road, new mirror, look at the speedometer and make your progress. At the next traffic light, we'll be turning right, please.
At the next traffic light, we are turning right, please.
Offside, near side.
Okay, so what is the road mark? If there is like offside.
Near side.
Nearside, yes.
So you stop here. So first solid line. Now it's green. We go into it. Keep it slower. I'm 6 miles per hour. And go close to the right curve here and position here. Light is changed now.
Yes.
See this one? Pedestrian traffic is stopped. We move into the road. Right. Now corner here. So we need to go up to this left side of it. I did 2 quarters of the steering already. Looking right is clear. Look ahead and where we're going. So before I come out, I already have 2 quarters of the steering left.
2 quarters of the steering left.
It's a gradual corner. At the traffic light, turn right.
At the traffic light, turn right.
You position yourself here. Mirror signal after this road. The blue light's coming. We're gonna hold back here. We're gonna stop. We're not gonna go. We're gonna stop.
He stop here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Your screen is gonna change.
Yes.
So something is not right. So they were searching, right? It's not 1, not 2, not it's 3 cars with the blue lights.
So this one, there is no road mark, but it could be also like near side as well.
Okay, this is your again common sense we're gonna use that if you position in such a way, the traffic from the left side can go and traffic from the front can go.
G.
Okay. Now, if you keep our cars with the near side, we'll keep that gap for them. Have a look. I'm checking
Exactly
mirrors.
same, yeah.
10 miles, 8 miles, 5, and stopping in front of this road here.
In front of this road.
This road.
We're not going.
No, that's their position. The truck is coming. Light is still green.
Okay.
So they have enough space to go. Traffic from the left side. Green. Still, I'm now going to clear
If
it.
we stopped here, we narrow the road for the
We narrow the road
oncoming-
for oncoming traffic.
Okay.
Then again,
Yes.
mirror signal right. Can you see the secondary light
Secondary light.
across the junction, right? That one. This is
Yes.
one and the secondary light there. Does it have an extra filter light?
Yes.
That means can be filter arrow.
Yes.
Other thing we look at, like if we got the green, are they moving or not?
Okay.
And if they got the green, so we got the green or not together. Yeah. So this is what you read the traffic's flow with the traffic light. At the moment, I think pedestrian got the green. So they got the green on opposite now. So that means we are still red. So when we got the green, so they will be red,
Yes.
right? And if you see the extra light there, it's a filter arrow. That means you're good to go. So a floor marking is there. Look at the road here and start turning. Don't slow down. Don't stop. Just go. I was roughly around 10 miles on that bend.
Yes. And this is the offside.
Well, you're not
You
stopping.
didn't stop, but
Yeah.
the sign road marking.
The road marking
was-
is telling you offside. Yes,
Yes.
but you're not stopping there.
Yes. Because of the traffic. I mean signals. Because they are stopping other side approaching.
Yes. This traffic, I'm turning right. Now, see the opposite traffic is moving.
G.
That means it's not linked with us. Yes. Now here, Now they got the green. Have a look, the opposite green or not. We're not sure because there's no traffic there. But we know now, so that opposite and us is not linked. So this is green, so they are red. We don't stop, we just go. I'm 10 miles already. I'm just maintain that 10 miles and 10. I did 2 quarter of the steering and back straight. Left here. 1 quarter, 2 quarter of the steering.
It's gradual, but
I go 1 quarter.
1 quarter. It's gradual, but
Yeah.
very
Narrow. Look through the car, lean forward, see, and I'm going to turn. Look left where we're going, so no pedestrian is walking. So traffic light, I'm turning right. In your opinion, is offside or near side?
This one it will be near side.
Offside.
Turning
It's
right.
it's a local knowledge, yeah. It's offside. See, you will see there's a line in the center and the arrow on the left side. Which telling
line in the center.
Straight line, yeah. And then arrow on the left side. Then give me the like this. Go round. Offside.
So if I go and the car is coming, is it not near?
So if you're crossing the car, then it's like near.
If I do near side, I'm gonna block the traffic on the back.
Okay.
So here, so they stop, it's fine.
This becomes near side.
Yeah.
Now it's become near side, but it should be offside. As
It's
you
offside,
said.
yeah. A road marking says offside.
Road marking.
Yeah. It has a
I
road
didn't
mark.
see the road mark.
It's faded one.
Faded, okay.
Yeah. And now, center reservation, we're gonna take a U-turn.
Okay.
So center reservation, we're gonna take a U-turn. So stay slower. I'm really 3 miles per hour. Looking traffic left, pedestrian ahead and pedestrian on the right side. Clear, clear. Because someone can move from here also.
Pedestrian.
On the right side, yeah. Now I'm traffic light, I'm gonna follow road. It's green, it can change.
Yes.
Mirror check and slow down here. Now have a look ahead of you. Do you think the lane on the left side also goes straight?
Yes.
And ahead so 2 lanes?
Yes, but it's
I need to say stop here or
No, if it's stopping, it's fine.
okay.
If they're stopping, it's fine. But do you observe them? Which foot they are now, which pedal they're using it. But here, position should be on the right side of the lane.
Yes.
So they should come close to the curve
Yes.
and look in the left mirror. Left mirror again because they're merging into the one lane
We're taking right to the next.
at the traffic light.
Yeah. At the traffic light, turn right, please. Inside mirror, right mirror. Signal up for right. Slow down. Yeah, we can stop right here.
Why here?
This is the distance. Can you see the tire of the?
I can see tire and a lot of road.
You can see road as well. I was only saying tire. Okay.
That's fine.
As so, this is slow down. Slow down. Stop right here. We go right. Go right. I messed up from the beginning. Okay, new road, new mirror. Speed up. We are taking U-turn here.
Yeah.
Okay, on the central reservation, we are taking U-turn. Slow down your car. Okay, signal up. The car is trying to do something.
They're going wrong direction.
What is it doing? Coming, merging one.
But it's not merging right at the mouth of the junction.
Yes.
It's merging further into the road.
G.
After 100 yards. That means you're going to maintain your right-hand lane. So
That's
you're not going to go into
yes.
2 lanes. So you position close to the curve here. Nice. And ask them to see that mirror. So now it's going to merge into it. Yeah.
I didn't realize before there's still that big road.
It's 2 lanes, yeah. Now traffic light turning right. In your opinion, offside, near side?
This will be also near side.
Offside. If you do near side, we're gonna
Okay.
tail out. We're gonna block the traffic.
Okay, if you do the near side,
The tail out,
tail will be out.
the left
If you
side.
do the offside,
Offside, you keep straight,
yes. So why it is? Because the road is narrow.
and you need to come traffic from the left side.
Okay, okay, okay.
See, there's no car there.
Yes.
But I have position here in this point here.
Yes.
Front is clear. I turn.
Somebody horn.
Not us. He just waved to someone, his friend. We did not stop for anything.
Yeah.
So do you think we always do something wrong on the road?
No.
Yeah, I saw him. He waved someone, his friend. Center reservation taking a U-turn. Slow down. I'm roughly 1 mile, 2 miles. Looking traffic from the left side ahead, and any pedestrian crossing on the right side. Traffic, and pedestrian on the right side.